Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Sports Talk A1 Edition. I'm Anna.
And I'm Mark. It's great to have you with us today.
Today, we are talking about sports in English. We will speak slowly and clearly, so it's easy for you to understand. This podcast is for you, our A1 English learners.
That's right, Anna. Our goal is to help you learn some simple words and phrases to talk about sports.
So, Mark, let's start with a very common question. Do you like sports?
Yes, Anna, I do. I like sports very much. I watch sports on TV, and sometimes I play sports too.
That's a great answer, Mark. For our listeners, you can say, yes, I do, if you like sports. Or, if you don't like sports, you can say, no, I don't. Let's try that again, slowly. Yes, I do. Or, no, I don't.
Simple and clear. Now, Anna, what is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is swimming. I love to swim, especially in the summer. What about you, Mark? What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is football. Yes, football. In some countries, people call it soccer. I really enjoy watching football games.
Football is very popular. So listeners, you can say, my favorite sport is swimming, or my favorite sport is football. We also have many other popular sports like basketball.
And tennis.
And running. Yes, running.
Good. So, Anna, you said your favorite sport is swimming? Do you play swimming?
That's a good question, Mark. No, I don't play swimming. I go swimming. For sports like football, basketball, or tennis, we say play. For example, I play football or I play tennis.
I see. So I play football. And for other activities like running or swimming, we say go. So I go running or I go swimming. Is that right?
Exactly. Mark, you've got it. And what about watching? When we see a sport on TV or at a stadium, we say watch. So I watch football on TV.
Yes, I watch a lot of football. So, listeners, you can say I play tennis, or I go running, or I watch basketball. It's important to remember these small words.
They are very important. Let's talk about teams or players for a moment. Mark, do you have a favorite football team?
Oh, yes, I do. My favorite team is Manchester United. They are a famous team from England. Do you have a favorite player, Anna?
Well, I don't follow football so closely, but I think Roger Federer is a great tennis player. So I could say, my favorite player is Roger Federer. And you can say, my favorite team is, and then the name of your team.
That's a very clear way to say it. And you can also add a simple reason. For example, he is very good, or they are very strong.
That's a good tip for our A1 listeners. Just simple words to explain. So, let's quickly review the main phrases we learned today. Mark, what's the first important question?
The first one is, do you like sports? And you can answer, yes, I do. Or, no, I don't.
Excellent. And then we learned to ask, what is your favorite sport? And you can say, my favorite sport is football. Or, my favorite sport is swimming.
We also talked about playing, going, and watching. Like I play basketball, I go running, and I watch tennis.
These are really useful phrases for starting a simple conversation about sports in English. It's all about practicing them slowly and clearly.
Exactly. Listen to this episode again and try to say the phrases aloud. The more you practice, the easier it will become.
We hope this English Sports Talk A1 edition has given you the confidence to start using these words and sentences. Sports are a fun topic to talk about.
They truly are. So keep practicing, and don't be afraid to try out these new phrases. Small steps lead to big progress.
Thank you for listening. I'm Anna.
And I'm Mark. We'll be back soon with more English learning tips.
Bye for now.